So this is a device that I made that records IR commands.
Actually. So it's got two buttons on the front there, one for record and one for play. Got an IR LED on the front and a little hole here that has a IR sensor in there. So basically you can record any function that your remote does and play it back. It's not unbelievably useful, but it's still, kind of cool. Maybe mess around with people, turn the TV off when they have the remote. So to use it, press the red button here and you can see a red LED comes on to indicate it's recording. And then you're going to point the remote you want to record from. Come on, focus. Jeez. Alright. So point the remote into the hole and press the button you want to record. Press the button you want to record. There we go. And you can see the red light went off to indicate it's done recording. And when I press the black button, it should play back that command. Turn on the TV. There you go. Pretty cool.